Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign into your BPER Banca online account quickly and easily. First, open your browser and Google BPER Banca online login. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once you're on the page, look for the green Customer Login button in the top right corner and click it. Next, select Internet Banking Smart Web Sign-In, which will take you to the main login page. Here, you can enter your user code or alias along with your password to access your account. If you've forgotten either, don't worry. You can use the recovery buttons on this page to reset them. Another quick way to log in is by generating a QR code. If you've set up the BPR app on your phone, just click the QR code option, scan it with your phone, and it will automatically sign you into your account. And that's all there is to it. I hope this guide made signing into BPR Banca online simple for you. If it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.